gusto kong pag-usapan natin yung trading mindset na pinaka-importante as your foundation in this kind of business. You know, ang trading at saka business ay hindi talaga masyadong nagkakalayo. It's just that they have different business model, okay? But if you're going to take a look at it, same principle that applies. Ang good thing naman sa trading is that, of course, you can start at a small capital, and it is you who will decide how much risk are you going to expose. So dyan po nagkakaiba yung mga traders na risky or yung mga traders na nagsusugal lang sa market versus sa mga traders na merong business mindset, no? So pag sinabi nating business mindset, ito yung mga traders na naiintindihan nila na once you'll be able to manage risk and you'll be able to have a consistent profit, no? Consistent meaning yung profit mo ay mas malaki compared dun sa losses mo. Alam naman natin na sa trading hindi talaga maiwasan yung losses, so that is why we are focusing on the risk side, because pag once na meron kang talo na malaki, no, yun yung kakain sa mga panalo mo. So it doesn't matter kung marami kang wins, but if you have this what we call as the mother of losses, na malaking talo, mapabaliwala po yung mga dati o yung mga previous wins mo na mga maliliit. You need to consider na kailangan yung system natin is based on a solid risk management discipline, na hindi tayo nagre-risk ng malaki, and we make sure that our risk is to reward ratio is favorable to us. Kasi yun po ang magbibigay sa atin ng consistent profitability in the long run. Okay? So I hope this helps. Thank you so much, Dale again of DK Capitals.